on, mate. Yeah, Gary, did you see this other lad on CCTV who had a grey hoodie? Would you be able to recognise him at all? Oh, yeah, definitely. Why? Is he saying what? He's not... Just with your mate down towards him. Yeah, no worries. Let's on. Come on, mate. That's 6 negative from me, but someone did shout up saying they were going to go and collect it.
No, it sounds good to say they were going to collect it. Tango bit sweet mobile Max.
Yeah, go on.
Did you get a chance to go to a visa, mate, before you dealt with that female?
No, no, please.
Yeah, received. Is any police mobile free to go and have a look at a visa, like lights are still on? I don't think anybody's been yet. Tango bit police mobile on.
Yes, go on.
Yeah, could you or one of your colleagues go and give a visa or not? Don't think anybody's been for it.
Yeah, I'm just going to go down and collect it.
Cheers, mate. Matt was going to do it, but then he ended up dealing with that female.
Yeah, no problems, I'll do it.